Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this YAHEETECH cat tree. Boogie is having a lot of fun on here. Get it, Thomas. Get it, kitties. Wanna go inside? They're really enjoying this. Boogie, you wanna go in the hole? Get it, Thomas. Good kitty. Get it. Get it, Thomas. And little scratching post. They're really having a lot of fun here. Thomas, go get it. You can go inside. Go play with your brother. All right, my friends, so cat approved, and it's sturdy. Wow. Booger's really crazy. He's having a lot of fun. Oh no, he's falling. Okay, Boogie. Where'd you go, buddy? Look at little Thomas. They really like those. I thought those would break easily, but they're pretty strong. They got a long metal tab that's holding them on there, and elastic cord though, so cats play pretty rough, but these guys are pretty durable. Look at that. Good job, Thomas. He's got it. All right, friends. We'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching this video.